Hello, welcome to Bailey's Shooting. This week we're taking a look at one of the latest offerings from Spartan Precision Equipment. This is the Javelin Pro Hunt Bipod. That's this bad boy here. So what they've done, they've taken their original design, the Javelin bipod, which was good in its own right, and they've made improvements. So as per standard, it's aircraft grade aluminium and carbon fibre technology that's gone into this, with high precision CNC engineering, as you can see. Absolutely lovely little bipod here. You've got your tightener there for tightening for the cant from left to right, and the addition of this clip here, which is very good. So when it's in its stowed position, stowed like so, and when you pop her open, it now locks, so you've not got that thing of the leg accidentally closing, which sometimes used to happen with the old Javelin bipod itself. So yeah, really nice, as you can see. Adjustable in length. These are available in two leg lengths as well, which is standard and long. The entire legs come off these, and you can add additional legs onto this at different lengths, so you can do standing shots, etc. But yeah, just really nice. Rubber end caps on the bottom of the feet, and underneath this is you've got tungsten tips as well, so if you're on rocky surfaces or anything like that and you need the extra bit of grip, you've got the availability for the extra grip just there. Right, I'm going to give you some technical specs for this, and I am going to have to use a cheat sheet because, to be honest, I don't know everything. Just so you know as well, you do get different adapters with these. So the one that you get in the box is this one. This mounts onto your rifle through your swivel stud, but I'll show you that in a second because I'm going to actually fit it onto my rifle. But you can also get Picatinny adapters, you can get M-Lock adapters, key mod, you can get Antrux UIT adapters, and you can also get a gunsmithing adapter, which is actually mounted into your stock. A lot of the form rifle stocks now that are provided by Raytrade Remington are going to be coming with that gunsmithing adapter pre-fitted into the stock, as well as a swivel stud, so that's always a winner. This, the standard length Pro Hunt, 176 grams for this one. If you have the longer legged one, it is 183 grams, so not a great deal in it, which is always good. Width closed 6 centimeters. I am reading off a cheat sheet, just so you know. And travelling angles are 30 degrees left and 30 degrees right, and the cant angles are 15 degrees left and 15 degrees right. So yeah, it's one of those, but I'll show you now. As you can see, this is the bipod itself, which is nice. Inside the box, as I said, this is your box here. You get your adapter to go onto your rifle, which has got a sling point on there as well. You get different rubber shims. These are going to go between that adapter and the stock of your rifle, depending on the curvature of your stock. And you've got loads of options for different threads. So depending, some like the rifle I've got that I'm going to fit this onto has actually got a proper threaded thing, so you've got different threads there. And then you've got other ones that go into a wooden stock, so you've got the wooden stock screws, as you can see, quite a coarse thread on them. And you get the Allen key and everything provided. So simple operation for these is, we shall do it now. I'm going to get my rifle. This rifle is unloaded, empty and safe, and we're going to go through exactly how I'm going to do this, and it's going to be really awkward because I'm doing it in such a way that I can't see. So there's my front swivel stud adapter, or swivel stud should I say, and I loosen that and remove it. In these Macmillan stocks you've actually got a threaded spot there, so it's not too bad at all. Put that washer safe. So I've opted for a slightly curved rubber, so I'm going to place my adapter on top of that rubber like so, as you can see, and I'm going to position it onto my stock. So with the Allen key, your little threaded thing's going to go into there. I'm going to have to take this away so I can see what I'm doing for 1 second. My apologies, because because I don't want to knacker it up. So making sure that the mounting system is located well on the rubber, which it is, and making sure that it's central with your stock. Tighten that up. See if it'll go in this way. It should do, to be fair. Tighten this up, making sure it stays dead center. I always put the sling facing the rear of the gun, but that's down to your preference. Tighten that up nice and tight. Don't over tighten it if you're doing a wooden stock, because it will just pull the wood out. So as you can see, that is now mounted on my rifle. Now the good thing about this is, the other edition, you've got two settings that you can run this bipod on. So if I put this one in with the Spartan logo facing forwards, like so, and it will just drop in, I can actually rotate this left and right, as well as having my standard cant. Okay, as you can see, very good. And then if I turn it round so the Spartan logo is facing me as the shooter, I can pop it back in again, and now it's fixed and super solid. That's it, it's just fixed. So all in all, for stalking, hill walking, all that kind of stuff, if you wanted a bipod that is easily removed when in the field, I think they're a good idea. They're very stable to shoot from. I've put, just let me finish putting this back on here. There we go. I've put this through some long range shooting with this bipod fitted, because I kind of had a few doubts, but to be fair, absolutely stable as you like. I was hitting 430 yard gongs, I think it was. I'll put the video up here. I'll take that. And it was absolutely faultless, super lightweight. So many adapters that are available from Spartan precision equipment, from adapters to go into your bonnet, sort of suction cups, window clamps, long legs for standing shooting, tripods, all sorts. There is a massive amount, and we'll be looking at those over the next few weeks. Recommended retail price for this in the UK is £286, which is, it's well priced. It's well priced when you look at everything else that's out there, like the Atlases and the stuff from Tier 1 and the other bits and pieces. So I'm going to continue to run this on my 308 and get some nice pickies of it out in the field and put it through some use. But yeah, overall I'm massively impressed. This is the leg coming off, by the way. So the long legs that they do for standing shots and stuff like that, these literally just unscrew and you can put your new legs on. So yeah, it's just modular, really modular. Very clever bit of kit. So these are available through us at baileyshooting.co.uk in both lengths, standard and long. Not only that, you can get the additional bipods from us that Spartan do, so including the Javelin Light, which is a fixed bipod system that's still got cant. They're £126 recommended retail price, and the standard Javelin Original, which come in the standard and the long, they're £200, £206, and then you can get the accessories such as the pouches and the different adapters for different rifles and the gunsmithing adapters, etc. So we've got most of it listed on the website already, so get yourself on there, have a butcher's. If you've got any questions, just drop us a message, and if you haven't already, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, because it just helps us get more and more stuff out here for you guys. But yeah, so that's the video finished. This is a Javelin Pro Hunt from Spartan Precision Equipment. Thank you very much. Cheers.